Olmas OS-210 Industrial Dehumidifier, the superior dehumidification solution for medium to large spaces. With the dehumidification capacity of 210 liters per day in temperature operating at 40 degrees Celsius. The Olmas OS-210 outstandingly performs in a compact design. Measuring 750 by 470 by 1615 millimeters. It is equipped with air inlet and drainage pipe to efficiently handle across spaces from 200 to 420 square meters. Its advanced humidity controller, adjustable between 10% and 95%, eliminates mold and maintains quiescence with standard noise levels of below 58 decibel with energy efficiency. As trusted by industrial clients such as food processing plants, warehouses, logistics centers, swimming pools, and commercial complexes, the Olmas OS-210 protects valuable assets, fulfills product quality for export, and provides a comfortable working environment. Finally, DeAir's comprehensive 24/7 technical support guarantees seamless and resilient performance. Get in touch with us via hotline of 0925 977 579 or visit DeAir.com.P.An to enhance your production with the Olmas OS-210 Industrial Dehumidifier.